What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Real quick before we get into this video, if you guys want to pick up some free stocks and if you guys want to pick up some free, essentially Shiba Inu too, let me explain that in a second here. Shiba Inu is of course the coin that you guys are all familiar with. You're watching the video in the first place, I'm sure you know what it is. But either way, they have just recently been added to public and their roster of tradable tokens. They have just recently added a lot of cryptocurrency projects to their platform in general. But here's what you guys can do. This is what Zach and I did with another person's affiliate link. We went on public, right? We used the link down in the description below. We signed up, we deposited $1, and then we got a free stock, right? And the free stock can be worth anywhere between $5 to $7, $10 to all the way up to $70. Again, it's rare, but it does happen, all the way up to $70. And again, we took that stock and we sold that stock. Actually, we sold that stock on that platform, and we ended up pretty much investing the money from that free stock right in a Shiba Inu coin. So basically, we got some free Shiba Inu coin in the process. It was kind of a great win-win for everybody involved, and either way, it was really cool indeed. So if you guys want to check that out, we have a public link down in the description below. You guys can do whatever you want with that stock. Not saying you have to sell it, not saying you have to do anything, guys. Again, it's all up to you at the end of the day. You make the decision either way. But let's get into Shiba Inu. Let's talk a little bit. And also too, guys, let us know in the comments below if you guys are still holding, right? Again, we're kind of a consolidation period right now, guys. A lot of people are kind of worried. They're a little bit scared that, oh no, is Shiba Inu like is it over? Like is there no run left? Are we done for? What's happening? Again, guys, I'd like to quell some of those theories and some of those, I guess, scared kind of mindsets right now, and hopefully provide some evidence for why we're still doing very well, in my opinion. Either way, we're down just about 1.62% on the day, or as far as 24-hour chart goes. Again, if we check TradingView, we can see a little bit more detail there. Got to refresh it though, because again, I'm not signed in. Gotta love it. Either way, though, guys, as you can see, we're consolidating quite nicely here on the 6-month 2-hour chart. And again, still very bullish, right? Still very bullish momentum, holding at these new highs, not really showing a lot of, you know, points to the downside. Now again, I know people keep saying this. Some people are just like, Shiba Inu's in a downtrend, therefore you're stupid for even making this video in the first place. And I'm not, you know, I respect your opinion. I'm not stupid for making this video. The point here though is that yes, it is kind of in a little bit of a downtrend, unfortunately. But again, that being said, we're still trading at a very tight level, right? We're really starting to consolidate here. We're really starting to kind of push into this level. And again, I want to point out, I always like to go back to this old rally, right? Because this old rally, I think, really gives a lot of evidence for what we can expect, obviously, this rally, and what we should, you know, notice as far as differences go, right? So if you look at the original rally, right, and we'll kind of look at this in a zoomed out point, right? This was what we looked at, right? We had the huge dump that we had right back here, and then it pretty much consolidated for a good, you know, a good amount of time, right? Look how long there really wasn't just a lot of movement with Shiba Inu, right? Just kind of a lot of all over the place. Again, a few pumps, you know, here and there, you know, just random whale activity probably in the sort. But again, not much going on with Shiba Inu as far as that goes. Now, that being said, really what led to this huge rally that we saw here, and what I want to point out here is after this big, huge rally, the first one that happened, I believe, at the beginning of October, right? That was, yeah, October 5th to 4th to the 6th. Again, after that, we saw a big dump, right? A big dump down to kind of correct a little bit here. And then we consolidated, right? We just kind of traded sideways for, you know, really a couple of days, even a matter of about a week. You know, did this for a while, and then all of a sudden volume got so low, all that was left, there was no sellers left in the market. Only people left in the market were holders and buyers, pretty much, people buying into Shiba Inu coin who are brand new. And then of course it exploded once again with, I think it was an Elon Musk tweet, or again, there might've been some new listings for exchanges, all that kind of stuff. And of course it skyrocketed towards the upside either way. Now we have another case of this, right? Where we have that huge next leg up, large significant pullback, right, to kind of breathe a little bit from those all-time highs that we hit. Again, we kind of try to stagnate here at those levels. Again, it kind of bounced all over the place. We dumped again down to the lower levels, and now we pumped back up. Again, it's been a roller coaster ride either way, guys, and now we're starting to consolidate much more than we have really at any other point in this rally. So what is my point? My point is consolidation is key. It's what I've been expecting. It's what I've been calling out in every single one of our videos. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you guys won't miss that kind of stuff when I talk about it and call it out. Because again, we were talking about this coin when really we were down here, guys. Like we were all the way back here at this first rally. That's when we were talking about this coin, you know, calling out, hey, we really think there's a lot of bullish momentum. This could go further. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that kind of stuff. Because again, we're making videos like this every day, 4 a day. You know how it goes. But either way, So we had a little bit of consolidation here. Again, very good as long as we still hold at these levels and not show a significant amount of downside. Again, still going to remain very bullish, still going to remain very confident that this coin can still do a lot. Let's read this quick little news article here just on support and just kind of giving you guys some perspective, because I don't want me to be the only thing that you hear today. I want to hear some other opinions, right? And make sure that we can kind of cover everybody's diverse set of ideals. Now, Shiba Inu's price analysis and prediction. So this is from TradingView, obviously the chart. Healthy RSI and narrowing Bollinger Bands suggest that Shib will continue to trade sideways as it did last week. Like I just said, any absent major news or whale coins moving, absent any major news or the whales coins moving, and my short-term outlook on Shib is neutral. The support to the 0.000053 has been tested already and proven to be strong. This suggests that another bullish run might be coming. The longer Shib can hold the current support, the better chances Shiba Inu has of breaking the 0.00006 level and reversing its momentum. This is not trading or investment advice. Yeah, of course, right. So the point there, which I think is actually pretty well made, and again, he says he's neutral, I'm more bullish if anything. Again, as long as we continue to consolidate like this, as long as we hold at these levels in a strong and consistent manner, guys, I'm going to continue to be bullish for the outcome in the future of this coin. And again, especially for a short-term bullish breakout, like they said, towards the pretty much upwards towards the 6th level. And again, if we get some crazy news, right, if we get some new listing news, if we get a new something, right, if something happens, right, we're going to hit upwards. I would think we could hit even to the Jesus Christ, sorry about that, the 6 or 7 level, guys. Oh man, wow, killing it today with the reading and just overall speaking, my bad. To the 6 or 7 level, guys, and again, I think we could break even further than that, much higher, guys. So again, keeping all of this in mind, I don't want you to worry, I don't want you to be anxious, I don't want you to be nervous. Again, you guys got to understand that, like, for me personally with this coin, right, I have money in this coin, I have a decent amount of money in this coin. I don't have like enough where literally I can't eat tomorrow if that's the case, but I have enough money in this coin where if it does go big, I'm going to make a decent amount of money, right? That's kind of just the way it's going to go. That being said too, again, I'm very confident in the long-term outcome of this coin. This is a multi-year hold for me. And again, a lot of Shiba Inu YouTubers talk about this being a long-term hold for them. And again, I agree, right? This is something that I'm not really worried about, these day-to-day price fluctuations and stuff. I'm gonna, of course, talk about them and report on them because some of you guys are. Some of you guys are traders, right? Some of you guys trade this coin. Some of you guys do just want to keep up to date with the latest, price fluctuations and dumps in this coin. And of course, I'm gonna provide that for you guys because that's what you guys want. And of course, I'm gonna try to satisfy that to the best of my abilities. But either way, guys, still bullish on this coin, still holding full and strong, and still waiting to see where we're going to be going in the next week. Again, hopefully it's in the upward direction. We'll just have to see, but keep it locked here so you guys don't miss any of that either way. And make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public Hit, our link down in the description below. Like I said in the beginning of the video, they just recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable tokens. So if you guys want to hop on there and start trading some Shiba Inu, you guys can do that as well. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today.